In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly remove the password from your Shopify store, allowing anyone to visit your online shop without a password requirement. Let's give your potential customers the freedom to browse without any barriers. Follow along as I guide you through these simple steps. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel, where all the magic happens. To do this, open your web browser and enter the Shopify URL associated with your store. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the homepage of your Shopify admin dashboard. This is where you can access all the different sections of your store, like orders, products, and customer details. It's your hub for managing everything related to your e-commerce business. Now that you are on the home page, your next step is to locate Online Store in the left-hand menu. This section is crucial as it contains all the settings related to your store's appearance and accessibility on the internet. Click on it and it will expand to reveal more options. From here, click on Preferences to proceed. By clicking on Preferences, you're entering the section that controls various critical features of your store, including SEO settings, social sharing image, and the password protection feature, which is currently our point of interest. Within this section, you'll find the password settings that you'll need to modify. Next, look for the option labeled Password within this Preferences section. You should see a prompt indicating that the password feature is currently activated, ensuring that only those with a password can visit your store at this moment. This is where you'll change the settings so that everyone can access your site without needing any password. Finally, to remove this password protection, simply click on the option to disable the password. Once selected, confirm your choice. This action allows you to open your virtual doors to shoppers, making your store readily available to the public. Keep in mind, once this change is made, anyone with the store URL can visit, so ensure you're ready for potential traffic. So, there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully removed the password protection from your Shopify store. This streamlined process will now allow you to welcome more visitors and potential buyers, hopefully increasing your engagement and sales potential. Remember, always double-check your settings to ensure everything is as you intended. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to re-enable password protection, perhaps for exclusive sneak peeks or special campaigns. Keep exploring all that Shopify has to offer and continue expanding your online business with ease. See you in the next tutorial.